If you are building your brand on social media, on internet, blogging is important factor. But it is very hard for you to find a content writer who can understand your customers' need, desired problem, and write content based on that. If that's your problem, watch this video till the very end because today I'm going to share a tool by which you can generate professional content which is not only engaging but also SEO friendly. But before I start, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Sandeep Mishra, a techie who is helping businesses to automate their business process using AI. So let's get started. So we will write blog using Chatgpt. But here you don't know how to write prompt. And for that, we will use a tool that is STW AI Content Creator. So you will go on Google and search STW AI Content Creator. And the very first link you will get, that is STW AI Content Creator. Click on this particular link. It will take you on a extension page, and there you can install this extension. I already installed, and that's why you can see here remove from Chrome. And if you haven't, in that case, you will see add to Chrome. So you just need to click on that, and once you will click, you will get this button remove from your Chrome, and that is how you will install this extension. Once you will install it, you can see here you will get like STW content creator. You can pin it. Once you will pin, you can get this kind of icon in your Chrome browser. Click on this particular pop-up and on it. Once you will on, go back to the chat GPT and refresh your page, and at the very bottom of left side you will see template. Click on this particular link, and there you can see this kind of pop-up will come on your chat GPT screen. So from here you will select copyright in first category, then you will select blog writing, and in third drop down you will get many options that is related to your blogging. For example, if you want to generate the blog title, you will select, and here you need to select informative and writing style based on your customer taste. If your customer is like funny or technical or like whatever you think that the taste of your customer, I will select informative again here. And here you need to put your keyword. For example, we are in business process automation, so I can put that. But if you are in a food business or if you are in a clothing business, that is what you can put here. For example, we can put anything, right? Business process automation, that is what I'm putting here, and execute, and it will give me around 10 titles. That is what I can use to create my blog. So similarly, like whichever industry you are, you will put that particular keyword according to your business, and you will get around 9 to 10 titles, and that is what you will use for your blogging. So I will use first title. Again, we'll go back, click on this particular template, select copyright, then you will again select blog writing, and here you can say generate blog post title. That is what we did already. Generate blog post description. So what we'll do is, as we have title, what we'll do is uh, create blog post from title, from topic. So we already have the topic. So I will paste that topic here. Again, you can select informative here based on whatever I said, like creative or persuasive. But in this case, I'm going to use again informative because blogs are mostly informative. So that's why I'm selecting that. and then you can execute, and it will generate the complete blog according to that particular topic. So see, this is how it's coming. So it will take little bit time. So it's just writing the highlights. I think in some cases you don't need those highlights, so you will just skip that part and post only what is required. So you can see like it's already divided in 10 parts, and now it started writing blog. So it will picking one topic at a time and writing that. For example, introduction is the first part, and that is what it's writing. Like you can see introduction is here, so it's writing about introduction, and after that the second topic, so it's writing about second topic, and step one, step two under that. So this is how it's picking step one, step two, step three, step four. So it's telling us like what are the steps required based on the topic I given, and topic was business process automation, boosting efficiency in 5 steps. And that's why you can see 5 steps are here, and after that benefits. And so it is quite organized. If even though you will hire a content writer, he will not able to understand your requirement and all those steps. He will do some research, but mostly what I found, bloggers are not that much capable to understand each and every industry, and that's why they are not able to write appropriate blog for that particular business. And that is where AI excels. So you can use AI to write blog for your business. So you can see uh, a complete blog where you will find each and every steps and also conclusion. So that is how it's quite handy. Even though you don't need to do a lot of research that what do you want to write, you will just go pick a topic and use that topic for your particular blog. And some important things are like if you think that this is quite lengthy, you will give here like write a small blog based on this. So it will just summarize it. So you can see like I just asked to write a small blog based on that. So it's writing based on whatever we have here. And I will also let you know some interesting part using that will help you to be more active on your social media platforms. So let it write, and after that I will show that. So wonderful. So you can see like we have a small blog. Then what we can do is we can ask write a link, LinkedIn post based on our content. So you can see using a topic, you created a blog. Now you asked to write a LinkedIn post, and then we'll see that how we can write a Facebook post and how we can write a tweet based on that. So it's quite handy because you got your blog, and after that, whenever you are posting, you are sharing that blog, you can use this post on your LinkedIn account. You will write all those things, and then you will give the link of that particular blog. So it will be quite relevant that whatever you are talking about in that particular post related to that topic, you have a blog. So I will again write Write a Facebook post based on above blog. So now you can see it's writing a Facebook post based on that. And good part is it's writing based on the taste of that audience. So whenever you asked, it's writing about LinkedIn. Whenever you asked, it's writing about Facebook. And then you can write a tweet based on our content. And now you will have a tweet. So similarly, you can generate content for your Insta and other social media platforms. So that's the power of AI. You just you just need to find a topic, and based on that you can create different kind of content for your social media handlers. So go download this extension and start using content for your business. So today we learned how you can create professional blogs using STW AI Content Creator, which is not only engaging but also SEO friendly. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel so I can post this kind of video on my YouTube channel, which will help you to grow your business. This is Sandeep Mishra signing out till we meet again.